Welcome back people to another video. Anyway, this is a really messed up wiring that's on a Golf Mark 1 Rabbit. I think it's a 1980 something model. But anyway, the customer sent this vehicle to basically restore it. And the guys did most of the stuff, but they took too long and the wiring was a mess for many months. So I told him to, you know what, get the car back and afterwards I will have a look at it and get to it. All the people, we came all the way to Pinetown now, working on this Rabbit. Like you can see, it got a Apex motor here. So the car was redone from scratch apparently by, I think it was done by Motor Tricks or whatever. But the wiring on this car is not done. So let's do a quick walk around. There's our drama here today. Basically the car doesn't have, the wiring loom is just thrown there. So the job for today is to actually fit the wiring loom on this car, make sure everything starts from the key. It has a wire tuck, so the battery wires are going to be running from the back. Yeah, clean, but you can see right there, there's no ignition and stuff. We need to reconnect everything, put the lights to the back, put the lights to the front, make everything start off the key, the starter. The MK1 loom is already placed here. I didn't make this loom. This one, it's not a new loom of mine. It looks like it was a bought loom. But yeah, I will keep you updated in the process. Okay, first thing we had to connect a battery into the vehicle, so we ran 2 thick gauge wire right to the back to give some power. So that way we try to separate the loom, you know, like bring the back of the loom out of the vehicle and just separate all the wiring and stuff, because everything was chopped up, like it was a mess. It was difficult to video most of it and, you know, repair the stuff because the customer wanted us to really finish the car in one day. I explained to him that it's quite a big job and it'll take us like 3 days, but he was persistent that he wanted the vehicle done in one day, and that's what we push for. Like you guys know, I'm always pushing to satisfy the customer. But yeah, hope you guys appreciate like watching this car because it's a really cool car. Look at it, bright lovely red. So we did struggle a bit with the dash, so I had to remove the whole dash. Like you can see, I just got the cluster there, the whole dash is out. Everything is a mess now, but just bear with me, watch till the end and you can see how everything came out. Yeah, we actually got some lights in the back. So yeah, just look, it's still a mess, but we did what we could. Okay people, we came here at 9 o'clock in the morning. Now it's 9 o'clock in the night, and yeah, most of everything is done. Only thing was the wiper motor, the wiring wasn't there, the lugs and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna show you some of the stuff that's working. The car has ignition, battery light, and you see how neat the wiring is for the fuse box. Then hazards. I'm gonna put
don't come here.
yeah, so complete wiring loom done. Just 2 people in one day. Not actually one day, like a lot of time, but yeah. So there's the wiring for the starter and stuff. So we're gonna swing this car from inside. It's super loud because there's no exhaust, but okay.